Hi, I'm Jo from E&S Computers, and today we are cleaning out an Acer Aspire X3200. It came in, customer was saying that when it was powering on, it was only going to a blue screen with no writing on it. We fired it up, it was fine, it went in to Windows, not any issues, but within about 3 minutes of being powered on, the fan was under a lot of stress, to say the least. So upon opening it up, you can clearly see that we've got a lot of dust and nastiness under there. So we're going to give that a good clean, and we're also going to add some more thermal paste. So let's go ahead and remove the heatsink. And over there. Okay. There we go. And this one again. A bit of a okay, let's see how bad this is. Yeah, it's pretty much dry, as you can see under there. So I'm just going to unplug that, set it to one side so I can give it a good clean, and we're just going to clean off the processor. So we are using some Tim Clean, which we have got on our website. The link will be below in the description. So let's give this a good clean. That is well and truly dried on. You can just see a little bit there is just flaked off, actually. That's how dry it is. So let's a bit more. The smells really nice, by the way. I'm not recommending you sniff it, but it is very nice. Citrusy, orangey kind of smell. There we go. That's that clean. A bit of good old buff. And we're going to clean off the heatsink. This actually feels really warm and it wasn't on for very long, so I'm just going to give that a big clean as well. This is one of the things that get overlooked when you're actually do that there. This is very, very dried on. This gets overlooked when it comes to computer maintenance because no one ever thinks that these things dry out, but after a time they do. Right, is that good clean? That's fine on there. So you can see I'll clean that there. So now I'm going to put the hoover on and give a good paintbrush the fan itself, because it is caked in a lot of dirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the computer out of the way so that you can see me doing this, because I don't want to get loads more dust into the computer, because that's going to get a clean out as well. So here we have the heatsink, and you can see there, if I go up, you can just about see all of the gunk and everything that is in there. So I'm going to give it a bit of blast with this. Yeah. That's how caked up this is. Yeah, there's definitely going to need to get the paintbrush in there, and I'm going to get the hoover out to get rid of all that disgustingness. I'll give it a good clean. So there we go. You can see. So I'm gonna some more air because there's another clump in there. Move that to one side because I don't want that getting sucked up into the hoover. So as you can see, all these lovely bits here that have just come out of there, so I'm just going to grab the hoover and give that a good suction there. And apologies because it's going to be really noisy. That's the noisy bit over and done with. So now I'm going to bring the computer back and give that a bit of a brush out as well. Once I put the heatsink back on, I will give it a bit of a hoover out. If I can remove any more dust bunnies from in there. That seems to be okay. Right, so now I'm going to go all the way there. So let's grab the paste. And we have got, this is what we're using. Again, this is on our website as well, so link to that will be in the description. So let's put in that in the centre, and then I won't put too much because I don't want it squidging out the edges, but again I don't want to put too little because otherwise there's no point in doing it. Right, so that's that done, and now I'm gonna put this back on and hold that out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to do this corner to corner. Let's grab the screwdriver. Okay. brilliant. Yeah, that's bitten in now. Brilliant. Okay. Need to put quite a bit of pressure on it to get it to bite. Okay. And there we go. And check that that's tightened up. There we go. Now I'm going to plug this back in. Right. Right, that is plugged back in there. So I'm just going to grab the hoover and any loose little bits of dust I'm going to dislodge with a paintbrush. And apologise for the noise. Alright, there we go. So that is now clean. So I'm going to put the top back on. We're going to plug it up and it's going to run a lot better. So good housekeeping for computers if you're not confident of going in. Unplug, switch it off, and then pop the hoover into the back of where the power supply is to clean any fan that's there, or back of the case. But yeah, if it's running hot, chances are it needs a good clean out inside and some more thermal paste. So, you know, if you're local to us and you want your computer cleaned, then by all means bring it down to us. Details are in the description. So please subscribe, like, comment below. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. I'm Jo, this is E&S Computers, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye!